Nagulat talaga ako when she said that she has breast cancer. Besties, I want to share a very inspiring story. This is Sheena, and she messaged me June 12 asking about FGS. As usual, I had to ask her if she have any other health concerns aside from losing weight. And nagulat talaga ako when she said that she has breast cancer. So I explained to her about FGS, and sabi niya mag-research muna siya if it's safe for her. And sabi ko, sure, take your time. And by the way, Sheena is my churchmate. So magkasama kami sa kids church before. Kilala ko na siya since we were young. So when I learned about her condition, I really prayed and I asked God, Lord, if FGS can really help her, then kayo nang bahala mag-convince sa kanya. So after 3 weeks, she messaged me again saying she's ready to try it. So she ordered through the site, and then after a month, kinumusta ko siya, and she said that the tea really helps her to fast, and it also gives her energy, while the fiber helps her feel full easily. And praise God, normal na ang cholesterol levels niya. But because Sheena is induced menopause, nahihirapan talaga siya to lose weight. So medyo nababagalan siya sa progress. Naisip din niya na mag-inject just for her na mapabilis yung pag-lose niya ng weight. And I told her this is not just to push FGS, but please, I asked her not to do it, not to opt to injectables because napakaraming bad side effects. I just told her to continue and to be consistent sa fasting. Because during the first month, guys, akala nyo wala nangyayari sa body natin just because the scale is not going down. But actually, our body is repairing our cells. Especially pag maraming kailangan ayusin. Especially for her that she has cancer and she undergoes chemotherapy. So fast forward to November 5, I noticed 2 new clients from Italy and they were referred by Sheena. So I messaged her and I thanked her and she said, now people are noticing her transformation. Imagine from 68 kilos down to 60 and now no more swelling, no more inflammation. She's glowing, she's happier, and she's confident again. And as she said, she was already desperate before. Good thing that she saw my posts and stories and dun siya na-motivate and nabigyan ng hope na baka pwede pa nga siyang pumayat even after all that she went through. And this is why I won't stop sharing about FGS. It's not just about weight loss. It's about hope, healing, and feeling confident again. So if you've been praying for a sign, maybe this is it. Message me and let's start our healing journey together with FGS.